Hello, Legend Springs family. My name is Miss Grigg, and I'm your child's first grade teacher this year. So the purpose of me making this video is kind of walking you through the steps of how to be prepared for your first day of learning. So I want to make sure that you guys know exactly where to go the first day and making sure that your child's first day is a positive experience. So when you get logged into your Chromebook, you're going to open up Google Chrome. Once you get to Google Chrome, it should automatically generate you to this page. If for some reason it doesn't, you're going to type in start.dvusd.org. Once you are at this page, you're going to be clicking on Canvas. Canvas is going to be where all of your curriculum is being held. This is where your student will be working online. So Canvas is going to be our new best friend. I'm going to click on Canvas. And you can see that it's going to take you right here. You're going to have to log in. Your child's login is the same thing you use to log into the Chromebook today. So if you're like, I do not have that login information, I will be sending it to you tomorrow morning. I'm working on finishing making you login cards, and you will have access to those cards. So you're going to type in their username and password, and you're going to see the dashboard's going to pop up. On this dashboard, you're going to see homeroom, reading, math, writing, science, and social studies. I just want you to always focus on going to homeroom. So when I click on homeroom, you can see that we have a Bitmoji classroom. Since we are virtual, we have to make it as exciting as it can be. So that's our virtual classroom. And the biggest thing I want you to focus on right here is Zoom. 8:45 a.m. is when we will be starting our first Zoom meeting online this upcoming Monday. So once you log into Canvas, you're going to find this Zoom link. You're going to click this button right here, and it's going to take you directly to your very first Zoom meeting. And this is how you will always access our Zoom meetings. And you can see it says, please wait for the host to start this meeting, and you will wait for me to approve your child to come into the meeting. So we're going to look back at our homeroom, and I'm just going to show you some of these features right now. But the biggest thing for Monday morning is logging into Canvas, going to Zoom. Those are your two biggest things. Also on our website, also on Canvas, you're going to see a week at a glance, and this is where I'll post all the assignments for the upcoming week, and I'll also post their link so it takes you directly to that assignment. I'm going to try to make it as easy as possible, and I'll be constantly asking your guys' feedback. Is this working? Is this not working? I want to adjust and make this as simple as possible while having your child have fun learning. That's what I'm here for. So you're going to see right here, Canvas classes. All of these buttons you can see you can click on. This is how they get to a certain subject. So if they're working on reading independently, this is what they will click on. And you will see it will take them to the reading page. And I must have clicked math. I think my links got a little messed up, but that will be fixed before you come on. So these will all link you to a certain subject. Down here, we have a few other links. You may have used Dreambox in kindergarten. We will have that. We will have Zearn and Epic. I will explain all of these coming up, so do not stress if you're like, I don't know what this is. No stress. Down here, we have a technology corner. This is for you guys to utilize if you're like, I don't know how to access something. I don't know how to get logged in. I'm having trouble with something. This is your go-to button. Power Schools is where you access your child's grades. This link right here is the curriculum we use for your child's social and emotional learning. And over here is Blooms. Blooms is my best friend. Blooms is an online communication, kind of looks something like Facebook, but it's a way for you to stay in contact with me. You can almost text message like with me on Blooms, and that's the quickest way to get a hold of me. So you will see in your email that comes out today from me, I will ask you to sign up for Blooms. I do check my district email, my jessica.greg@dvsd.org. I check that, but the fastest way to get a hold of me is through Blooms. This is what I highly recommend. And when we get back in the classroom, I post videos, I post pictures, just so you get a glimpse of what our classroom looks like, and I'll post announcements on here. Any important information I have that I need to get out right away, it's going to go on Blooms. So right now, we're just going to kind of quickly do an overview of what we learned. We learned how to get logged into Canvas and how to go to Zoom. Those are the two things that I want you to worry about for the first day, and then we will be walking you through how to access your child's Canvas classes for reading, math, writing. I will be helping live the first day of school with that. So I can't wait to see your child at 8:45 a.m. on Zoom, and I can't wait to start teaching your child. It's going to be a great school year. I know it looks a little bit differently right now, but just know I'm doing my very best to make it engaging, to make it fun, and to make sure that your child's constantly learning. Once again, feel free to email me with any questions, but once you get signed up for Blooms, that's the best way to contact me. Looking forward to meeting you, and once again, don't ever hesitate to ask any questions that you have for me. All right, have a great evening, and I will be talking to everybody soon.